When you wake up in the morning and this is your view, you will not want to leave this place. Pasa wewe. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on to this video. In today's video, we are going to travel with you from Diani to Nairobi via Mombasa, and we're going also to share the final room that we had not shared, which is a double room connecting, and it is ideal for a family. As you can see, we are on the road and soon we got to the ferry and we are already on the move. I see during the day there are 3 ferries, so I would say it was an amazing experience once again. In Mombasa, we stopped by Barca restaurant. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, and we have shared our review and a video of the VIP restaurant on our Just Cuisine Kitchen channel. We are now heading to the airport, and once again we had challenges getting an Uber, but finally we did get, and we managed to get to the airport on time. And once again we are using Jumbo Jet. It was still the cheaper airline, so always compare prices, don't assume one could be cheaper. And we are traveling late in the evening. I think it's about 8 or thereabout. So see you in Nairobi. Of the very last room we had not shared. If you have not watched the previous rooms, please check them out, including the 2-bedroom residence house at Leopard Beach Resort. As you can see, this is a very spacious room, and it's ideal for a family because it has a connecting door, so you can have the parents and the kids in the other smaller room. We could not visit the other smaller room, it was not free, so this is what we have. As you can see, it is fully furnished and you can enjoy your stay as a family. You even have plenty of sitting space. Most of the amenities are similar from the previous rooms we shared, including a walk-in closet, a very spacious bathroom. The only difference is that this room has an interconnecting room where you can have your kids or even a group, so at least it's like a double room, which makes you have control, aka touch, with your kids, or if you're a group, as a group. To be honest, it felt like home for me because it is cozy, it is spacious, and it takes a bigger number of people. Yeah.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Your shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that.
When you wake up in the morning and this is your view, you will not want to leave this place. Pasa wewe. Eh? You need to find me.